In the realm of Broadway, few musicals dare to reimagine a classic with as much success as Wicked. The story and the characters look familiar but can still surprise you. The themes are quite strong, like believing in yourself and friendship. The first song already asks you the big question of the show.
Are people born wicked? Or do they have wickedness thrust upon them? After all, she had a father, she had a mother, as so many do.
This is certainly an analogy for being born a certain way or learning to be like that, in good and bad ways. Wicked is a musical with music and lyrics by Stephen Schwartz, and it continues the story of the Wizard of Oz, but with the Wicked Witch of the West as the protagonist. Our story begins at the illustrious Shiz University, a school of magic where we meet two young women destined for an unusual friendship. Glinda, the blonde, bubbly and popular student, is paired as a reluctant roommate with the green-skinned, misunderstood and fiercely independent Elphaba. Initially, their differences spark conflict, but over time, an unexpected bond forms. This unlikely friendship between Glinda and Elphaba blossoms amidst the chaos of school life. As they navigate through their magical lessons, they discover a shared sense of justice and a mutual desire to make a difference in the world. It's this shared ambition that leads them to the Emerald City, where they meet the Wizard of Oz. In one of the most iconic moments of the musical, Elphaba, fueled by her newfound resolve to challenge the system, ascends into the sky, defying gravity in a breathtaking spectacle of defiance and liberation. This act of rebellion brands her as wicked, but it's a label she embraces, choosing to stand against injustice, even if it means standing alone.
And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I am defying gravity.
In essence, Wicked is a story of friendship, of challenging societal norms, and of the complexities of good and evil. It invites us to question our perceptions and consider that perhaps wickedness is not an inherent trait, but a label thrust upon those who dare to defy convention. And if you're lucky enough to watch this spectacle live, don't miss the opportunity to experience the stage door. Wicked had the best employee guiding us through the process among all the shows I went to on Broadway. A chance to meet the talented cast, to share your admiration, and to take a piece of the magic home with you. So the next time you hear the word Wicked, don't just think of witches or enchanted broomsticks. If you want a blockbuster on Broadway, Wicked is an excellent choice. Wicked is a big production, maybe not as edgy and deep as many other musicals and more predictable, but extremely well done and very enjoyable. Wicked is like a fairy tale on Broadway. It looks and sounds like Disney, but don't underestimate it. It's one of the best shows I saw on Broadway.